So we added a few features that allow you to export information from quotations to Excel. So the first one is in More Features and Export. So once you've added some products onto your quotation, you can More Features, choose Export. You can see that will just load those products into Excel. So that's just an internal feature, allows you to look at the products that you've added and look at them in an Excel spreadsheet. So the next option I have is when I save my quotation, I have the ability to view the report either in a report format, or I can choose an Excel spreadsheet option at this time. So if I save my quotation, you can see at the top I've got send to, and I can either view it as a report or an Excel spreadsheet. So what this enables me to do is choose the customer copy or the internal copy, or both. Let's choose both, I think, and drop these into Excel. So obviously the customer copy is the one that you usually send to your customers. The internal copy is the one that would have things like internal costings and margins and things on, so you have to be careful what you do with that. But if we drop those to Excel, you can see that information is then present in an Excel spreadsheet. The customer copy includes all the kind of information you would expect to see on a quotation, including your terms and conditions. Then you've got the internal copy, which looks very similar, except obviously it's got things like line numbers, margins, profits, that kind of thing. So again, you have to be careful what you do with that.